Good morning, SMF Street traders. Pre-market futures are trading higher this morning by about 0.5%. It's an options expiration. Today's date is 8/19/2010. Time is 4:52 a.m. Pre-market opens up in 8 minutes. We've had a lot of retail reports. We have them all on our website. We did the Gymboree last night. We did all of these, and they're all on under the retail section. With live analysis of the reports. Basically, overseas was slightly up, FTSE, CAC, and DAC. Following an encouraging GDP forecast out of Germany's central bank. Old news, sorry. The Nikkei, the Hang Seng, the Shanghai were all slightly positive in the territory. The closing price of the futures marked at 4:15 Eastern Time, so it incorporates this after-hours move in the contracts this morning. See, you got the Dow Jones plus 47, and in the futures, that indicates a higher open for stocks. However, we are in an options expiration volatility. Today's Thursday. Tomorrow, 8/20 will be the actual expiration. We've covered all of these earnings reports. Tonight's earnings from tech heavies. Tonight after the close, you're going to have Hewlett Packard. You're going to have Dell. So basically, and you're going to have results from CRM and Marvel. We'll be all over those SMF Street traders. Welcome to StockMarketFunding.com. Everyone qualifies. This is the pre-market. Pre-market starts in 6 minutes. It's 4:54 a.m. So at 5 o'clock on the Pacific Coast, we open up. 8 o'clock on the Eastern Coast, we open up for these futures. The S&P futures are plus 5. Okay. One of the things that you want to know is that initial jobless claims data is out at 8:30 a.m. and has the potential to change the tone, which it always does. The unemployment data will be followed by the Philly Fed reading and leading indicators at 9 o'clock, and we'll be covering those very much in depth. SMF Street traders. The other thing that we're going to be doing is understanding where the economy is as we come out of this expiration. As StockMarketFunding.com has clearly stated, we have lowered that GDP to 1.5%. August 27th, toward the end of the month, there's going to be a revised one there. So we have a slight uptick in the futures. Fair value is a flat open for stocks. This is an interesting situation where equity futures saw a notable move lower immediately after the close yesterday. Yesterday after the close, we were watching the futures drop immediately in that NASDAQ 100 heavy tech area, SMF Street traders, and they have managed to try to buck the trend again this morning because it's options expiration. What we've seen late in the day is that we've been selling short off those names at around 12 o'clock to 12:30. We've been going long in the early morning, and the light volume has provided that move up off of that bottom, but that short comes in later in the day, and that works out perfect. And these are the S&P futures, and we got initial jobless claims coming out. We've already done all of the retail sector earnings on our site. We're keeping all our SMF Street trading staff up to date. They're ready to go. They can go pop, look at the videos. They can get the day. We're on top of it for you. Today's going to be a great trading day. Options expiration, going to make lots of money.